Do I need to install any software on my laptop to make this work?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're addressing a frequently asked question. Do I need to install any software on my laptop to make it work? The answer can vary depending on what you intend to do with your laptop, but we'll discuss general cases and highlight the key points.
What's pre-installed?
When you purchase a new laptop, it typically comes pre-installed with an operating system, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. This system includes basic software you need for the laptop to function, such as file management and web browsing tools. It also often comes with additional applications like media players and simple text editors.
Do I need additional software?
The pre-installed software will likely be sufficient for basic tasks. However, if you have specific needs such as professional work, gaming, programming, graphic design, etc., you will need to install additional software. For instance, Microsoft Office for document creation, Adobe Suite for graphic design, programming aids like PyCharm, gaming software like Steam, and more.
How do I know what software I need?
Determining what software you need largely depends on what tasks you intend to perform on your laptop. Take some time to understand the requirements of your tasks or activities, then research the best software for those tasks. You can often find recommendations in online communities, forums, or review websites.
Is free software safe and effective?
Yes, in many cases, free software can be safe and effective. There are plenty of open-source applications and free versions of paid software that work quite well. However, always ensure you're downloading from a reputable source, and check reviews before installing anything on your machine. In summary, whether you need to install additional software or not greatly depends on the specific tasks you'll be performing on your laptop. Remember, the right tools can greatly enhance your productivity and laptop experience. Be sure to research thoroughly and make educated decisions about what software you install. Until next time, happy computing!